First small project for the FJ40, the 78. This is the license plate bracket. Not looking so hot. You can see this has got like holes all through it. You can buy these new, but I'm going to try and repair them because they're not super duper cheap. Here's the light, which is obviously pretty bad. I ordered new lights from this guy, and you can see they are very different. They look okay, but even on the back side there's a different bulb. My problem is when I tried to heat these things to get these out, I didn't expect to reuse them anyways, but I kind of melted the plastic. Now that I'm seeing these new ones, maybe I'll just use the plastic out of it, and then maybe I can powder coat these or make those look nice. I don't know. And then this is the other top. I've already cut it out and made a small patch that I'm gonna use the Miller TIG welder to TIG weld that back in. Anyhow, we're gonna give that a try. Small project, but it'll get me going. So here I added some weld to cover up some of the rot from the rust that was there. Caps turned out nice. The grill also had some holes in it that needed welded up and some rusty spots. Got that all sanded down, cleaned up, and put some epoxy primer on it and then some glaze material there to get it nice and smooth as I could. There's the color I chose for the grill, and also the wheels will be that color. These are those 10-inch wide wheels for those 35-inch tires that I was hoping to run. And the black paint came off with paint stripper, but the white original paint I had to wire wheel off. It was a lot of work, but they turned out real nice. And here, I can take a look and see what they look like. They're quite large, but here you see the body's down about 3 inches, and I will get a 2-inch lift kit, so I hope I can get clearance without having to cut too much stuff here.